This is Tonedesigner. Tonedesigner is a browser-based modular synthesizer that generates Tone.js code. The first version of Tonedesigner has 8 core modules: VCO and noise for sound sources, VCF filter for shaping, an envelope for dynamics, LFO for modulation, reverb for space, and an 8-channel EQ and 8-channel mixer. Here's an example. You can add a module with the plus button. By clicking and dragging the cables from the outputs, VCO generates the sound, VCF shapes the tone, the envelope controls the amplitude. Connect with cables and play with your keyboard. Every change you make updates the generated code in real time. When you tweak parameters, add modules, and make connections, the JavaScript code rebuilds automatically. The goal is clean Tone.js code you can copy and use anywhere. Tonedesigner is open source and actively evolving. More modules are coming, along with other features like MIDI support. I love the idea of it being something perfect for developers, musicians, and educators exploring web audio and sound synthesis. You can try Tonedesigner at watusi.cloud. Link in description below.